My name is Kathy. This is my friend Betsy. We are from the Sandy Spring Museum Garden Club, and we would like to share with you our invasive weed of the week.
This is Hairy Bittercress, and it's growing in our gardens now. So Hairy Bittercress starts coming up in November or December. It's a winter type vegetation, and it has these rosettes. It comes up with, all the leaves come from the center of the plant. It doesn't have stems and then leaves. The flowers are key to recognizing it right now. They're little 4-petaled flowers, and then you'll notice that these long pointy toothpick seed pods are also growing. You want to get this weed out now. That's why we're talking about it today. It needs to be removed and bagged and disposed of in the trash before these things start popping open and bursting their seeds. So I have actually dug up one of these so you can very easily see that rosette. And if you turn it over, you can see that the roots are sort of hairy and fibrous. There's a little bit of a taproot going on there, but this is the basic plant and what you're aiming for when you pull. Kathy, how about if you pull that one for us, and let's see how you do it. So she's cutting around it. That's a big one, so she needs to
I have a knife
get good.
that I'm using here.
Right, and dandelion pullers are good too. There we go.
Here we go. And again, this has hairy roots also.
But much more because it's a bigger plant. So if you have a smaller plant, chances are you might even be able to pull it up with your fingers if the soil is still moist. So thanks for joining us today. Happy weeding.